Lewis structure of CH4. So at first we have to find out the valence electron for CH4. Carbon has 4 valence electron because it is the element of group 4a. Hydrogen has 1 valence electron because it is the element of group 1a. So here we have 4 hydrogen atom, right? So basically we are getting here 8 valence electron totally. This 8 valence electron has 2 tasks at the same time. The first task is to connect these 5 atoms together, and the second task is to satisfy the octet for carbon and duet for all the hydrogen. So here carbon is the central atom, right? Because it has the highest capacity of making bond, or it is the least, or hydrogen is always considered as an outer atom. So let us connect these 5 atoms together. To connect, we'll use 2 dots or single bond, right? So we have connected all the atoms, right? So for connecting these 5 atoms together, we have used 2, 4, 6, 8. Out of 8, we have used 8 valency electrons. So we have 0 valency electron left. Now check for octet. This carbon has achieved octet, right? And every hydrogen achieved duet. So we can say that this is the Lewis structure of CH4. We can express this bond pair as dash. So we have 4 bond pair, so we can draw 4 dash. So this or this is the Lewis structure of CH4. So thank you for viewing this video. Be well.